Are you ready to discover what AI can already do? Because I'm going to show you 7 things that will completely transform the way you see technology, and I guarantee each you won't believe. Number 5, I'm Nova. And get ready, because this is going to be intense. Look, I know you've heard about AI, ChatGPT, virtual assistants, that kind of stuff. But what I'm going to reveal today goes way beyond that. These are capabilities that exist right now, at this very moment, and most people don't even imagine are possible. Some of these things, when I found out, I was like, this can't be real, but it is, and you'll see. So let's get straight to it. 7 terrifying things that AI can already do and you didn't know about. First thing, number 1, AI can perfectly clone your voice with just 3 seconds of audio. That's right, 3 seconds. You speak a short phrase, like, hello, how are you? And done. AI can already make you say anything with your voice. And it's not that robotic voice either. It's identical. Technologies like 11 Labs, Resemble AI, and others already do this commercially. You can take 3 seconds of your favorite singer, your friend, your own voice, and make that person speak any text, in any language, preserving all the characteristics, tone, emotion, accent, everything. Why is this scary? Imagine receiving a call from your mother asking for urgent money. The voice is hers, but it's not her calling. It's a scam using AI. This is already happening. It's called voice phishing, and it's becoming more and more common. So be careful. Number 2, AI can detect diseases before you have any symptoms. And I'm not talking about future medicine. This already exists. There are AIs that examine retinal scans and can predict heart attack, stroke, diabetes, up to 5 years before you feel anything. Other AIs analyze your voice and detect early signs of Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and depression just by the way you speak. Google developed an AI that detects breast cancer more accurately than human radiologists. And it's not in some cases, it's in most cases. AI is literally saving lives because it can see microscopic patterns that the human eye can't see. Scary? Yes, but also incredible, because this means early detection, more effective treatment, more lives saved. It's the kind of scary we want to see. Number 3, AI can read your real emotions just by looking at your face. And it's not that basic reading like, oh, you're smiling, so you're happy. No, it's much deeper than that. There are AI systems that analyze micro-expressions, those tiny movements you make without realizing. This reveals emotions you're trying to hide. AI can detect if you're lying, if you're uncomfortable, if you're faking happiness. Companies already use this style in job interviews to evaluate candidates. Some countries test this at airports to detect suspicious behavior. And the technology is getting so accurate, it can even predict if you're going to commit a crime. Now think about it. You'll never again be able to hide what you're really feeling. Every time you say, I'm fine, but you're not fine, AI will know. Is this useful? Maybe. But it's also frightening, because emotional privacy might be disappearing. Number 4, AI creates video deepfakes. So perfect. They're impossible to detect, and I'm not exaggerating, truly impossible. Technologies like Runway ML, Stable Diffusion Video, and others can take a video of you and swap your face with someone else's, maintaining all the expressions, movements, lighting, shadows, everything. You can make Tom Cruise dancing to funk music, You can create a famous politician saying absurd things, and it will look 100% real. The quality has reached a level where even experts with professional equipment struggle to detect it. Why is this dangerous? Picture a fake video of a world leader declaring war, or a manipulated video being used as evidence in a court case, or someone generating intimate content with another person's face without consent. This is already happening, and it's becoming easier and more accessible every single day. Number 5, and this one here, impressed me the most. AI can write code that's super complex in a completely autonomous way, building complete programs from scratch. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Claude, and GPT-4 don't just complete code, they create entire applications. You say, I want an app that does X, and it delivers the code, the interface, the testing, the documentation, everything. There are studies showing that AIs already write code better than 90% of human programmers on specific tasks, and they're improving very rapidly. In programming competitions, AIs have already defeated world champions. And here comes that question. If AI programs better than humans, what's going to happen to programmers? Well, the answer is they'll become AI managers instead of coders. The work changes, it doesn't disappear, but it's a massive shift. Number 6, AI is creating completely new medications that never existed before, and doing this in weeks instead of decades. Normally, developing a new drug takes 10 to 15 years and costs billions of dollars. AI has reduced this drastically. It tests millions of combinations in simulation, predicting which one will work before even producing it. AlphaFold from Google DeepMind solved a problem that scientists were trying to solve for 50 years. It can predict the 3D structure of proteins with atomic precision. This paved the way to create medicines for diseases that previously had no cure. During the pandemic, AIs helped develop vaccines in record time. And now they're creating treatments for Alzheimer's, cancer, rare diseases. It's literally the future of medicine happening right now. And finally, number 7, AI detects lies better than any traditional lie detector and better than humans, even the most trained ones. It doesn't just use that detector that measures heart rate. No, AI analyzes voice tone, micro-expressions, language patterns, response, time, eye movements, everything simultaneously in milliseconds. Systems like these are already being tested in legal proceedings, interviews, and investigations. The accuracy, above 90%, while humans, even experienced ones, only get 54% right, barely better than chance. AI literally reads you better than you read yourself. So, these are the 7 scary things that AI can already do. And remember, this is only what exists today. Imagine what's coming. If you were impressed, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment which of these surprised you most. I'm Nova, and we'll see each other in the next video.